so this is card number 16 in our Cute as a Bug series, and this one was created wrong. So I'm going to show you how to create it right with your kit. So you're going to start with, okay, this is our front. First I'm going to emboss this, and I'm embossing it with the exposed brick. If you don't have that embossing folder, just use any embossing folder that you like, and it will work just fine, I'm sure. Nothing too big. I wanted a more subtle pattern on mine, but you know what, you guys do what you like. That's what makes it yours. Okay, so that is that, and this is going to get attached to this piece. So I'm working from the front down right now. So once you open your card, this is what you'll see. You'll see this piece of big white. This is not, the big white is, I'll show you where that goes. This is, you can see that these two layers go together by their sizes. Okay, so on the bottom of the card is another piece of big white. Okay, let's set this aside. Let that dry. There's two pieces that are the same size. They're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Okay, and then you have this piece of green. It has all this stuff inside. And this is basically your card base. So this is going to fold back this way. The one on the left, and the one on the right is going to fold back also. So you can go ahead and fold those back. No, they're not supposed to meet in the middle, okay? I know we always want to make them meet in the middle, but these are not to meet in the middle. Okay, take this card and I'm turning it over. And I'm on the back of this card. And I am going to put this card on here. Okay? You're going to leave a like that. Then you're going to take this one, which is your other white, which now has glue on it, very adhesive, and I'm going to attach that here. However, I'm going to line it up the white in the back when I do. So it's going to get glue on here. And then you're going to take the card and you're going to line it up with the white, with the white layer in the back. So you want to even with that, just like that. Okay. This side is not going to, it's just the right is okay. So you're going to line that up even with this side. And so your card opens like that. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this now. This is going to go on that front layer. So let's put that on there to give it a little strength there. And you're just going to leave 1/8 of an inch like we normally do. Leave that border around there. Like that. It's starting to look like the other card now, huh? Now for the inside, I'm going to have to flip this paper over. I'm just sticking to it so much. Sorry, guys. But I'm just sticking to it constantly. And so, there. Let's bring it down in size too. Okay. All right, so now let's do the inside. So we have a piece of white here still. I'm not sure what that's for. For the center in here. Okay, this goes right in there. So let's go ahead and put that in there. So that's going to go on the center panel. Three pieces of white and 3 pieces of the green. Paper to those white pieces. Just leaving that border. And all three of them, you're going to do the same thing. Whoops. Oh no, there goes that paper. There's a trick to this. You just use an embossing buddy, especially when it's wet glue like that. And now it's not sticky anymore. Okay. This is going to go on the inside here. And you see why we don't have a fourth one is because we've covered that panel up. So it's hidden away. You wouldn't even see it. This one's going to go here. And this one's going to go on the other panel. Okay. Now let's decorate our front. So we have this little guy who we have die cut or fussy cut, one or the other. We have, I keep losing my pieces. Oh, here he is, poking out of the envelope. This little guy. And we have some plants, and we have a greeting and a greeting tag. So my greeting tag, I'm going to use that happy birthday again. I think it'll fit on there. And I'm going to stamp in tuxedo black. Say this, but I'm going to, because I'm going to not recommend you purchase the new hybrid ink pad from Stampin' Up. I won't stand behind it. It doesn't work according to what it's supposed to, so I do not encourage you to purchase it. Sorry, Stampin' Up, but that's exactly how I feel. Little happy birthday. I think I must apply more pressure on the left than I do on the right when I stamp. All my greetings are that way. Okay, this is put on with dimensionals. And we're just going to go right down here. We're going to add our little bug here, some dimensionals. A little caterpillar. Going to be sitting on top of there with dimensionals supporting him. Come on, guy. Peel off there. know what happened. Somehow I curled that. Okay, and then I'm going to put some little flowers right down here. Just because. Just like that. Okay, and then we need some black clay now. That I have enough black clay. So you may find a different clay in your kit. You don't have, good luck. But I'm going to have to research that.